Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what are the capabilities of spray foam roofing, and why would a building owner even care about this? Maybe your roof's leaking, it's 20 years old, you're getting quotes for metal roofs, TPO, EPDM, whatever, and maybe you come across this spray foam system, you're like, okay, well, what can it do, what's it capable of doing, etc. So I'm going to go through a couple of its capabilities in this video. So the first thing it can do is it can be installed over any existing roofing system. Certainly the roof's got to be in decent order and no wet insulation, etc., but it can go over a metal roof, a TPO roof, an EPDM roof, a gravel built-up roof once you remove all the loose gravel. But it can go over any existing roofing system. Might be some preparations like putting a cover board down or, like I said, removing loose gravel, but it can be installed over any roofing system as long as there's only one roof there. If there's two roofing systems already in place, per building code you have to remove at least one. But most of the time it can be installed over whatever you already have. Second thing is spray foam. Since it's fluid applied, spray out of the gun, it's capable of going around any penetration and still making the roof monolithic or one layer. Any penetration is a drain, HVAC unit, a pipe, skylight, anything that comes up through the roof. It's always a hassle when you're rolling out a roof system with sheets. You have to custom cut it, use boots, adhesives, etc. But spray foam, it's right around the box or whatever it might be, and you just keep on going. So it's capable of going around any roofing system and still making it seamless. Spray foam is capable of going up, over, and down vertical walls. We just did a 100,000 square foot roof last year and had a humongous section. I think it was like 2,400 square feet. It was like 10 feet up, 100 feet down, and another 10 feet down, and I don't forget how big it was, but a huge rectangle. But since spray foam is fluid applied, you just spray up the wall, keep on going over top, and done deal. It's very, very difficult for a roofing system that's not applied like that to install a roof that way, keep it watertight, etc. Spray foam, like I said, is completely seamless, and why is it a big deal? You don't have the problems of fasteners backing out. They can be installed wrong, someone kicks them, so foot traffic can damage them, and it's just another way for a roof to leak. And when the roof is seamless and there is no fasteners, you don't have to worry about that. And like I said with the seams, you roll out a rubber sheet pretty much, and the seam is all the way down the roof, multiple ones that are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of feet long. Those things lose adhesion a little bit. UV rays might come in there and wear out the adhesive in between there, whatever it might be. The roof is under pressure 24/7 because it's at the very top, it's always exposed to the elements. Any loose adhesion there, that's a way for water to get into your building, and with spray foam doesn't have any seams, you don't have to worry about that issue. Spray foam is also capable of being renewed. So how does that work? Spray foam, it's 1.5 inches average thickness, has one layer of coating, let it cure, second layer of coating, and you can embed granules into that coating if you'd like. But say you get a 20-year warranty, that would get you 30 mils thickness of coating. After 20 years, that 30 mil thickness might be down to 5 or 6 mils. What you do is you just clean the roof, make any minor repairs if needed, and add another 30 mils of coating on top of that, and you get another 20-year warranty. We've done recoats 2 or 3 times on the same roof. They've had foam put on in the 80s, and we've been around for a long time. But we've recoated the same exact roof. They have the original foam still on there. It's just the coating wears away, put new coating on, new warranty, and it's repeat, repeat, repeat. The spray foam doesn't lose any R value, waterproofing capabilities, or any performance whatsoever over time. And that's really it. If you have any other questions, let me know. And if you want to learn more about any of these points, the link to the blog post is in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.